Most people try to improve their accent by copying it. They watch a show, they imitate the tone, and they borrow the attitude. And somehow they sound less natural than before. Because accents are not costumes, they are sound systems. When you copy an accent without understanding its sounds, your mouth fights itself. The words are right, the confidence looks right, but the sounds don't belong there. That's why fake accents feel so obvious. Accent work is not imitation, it's alignment between breath, rhythm, and muscle memory.